All right, we are on video 10. This one is the conclusion video, and you know very well how to do conclusions. Just kind of another way to state the introduction, but you don't want to say the exact same thing, otherwise, it bores the reader. So, my conclusion, I restate the three um, branches of government because that was the what the writing was asking me to do, was to talk about the three branches of government. So I made sure to restate that. And I wrote the legislative branch, the judicial branch, and the executive branch each have important jobs to make sure our country stays safe and fair. And so I'm referencing the fact that they have jobs, which was what the writing prompt was asking you to do. And then I end it by saying all three branches must work together to make sure our laws are followed. And if you notice, each box has about two sentences, two to three, maybe even four. So it's not your typical 5 paragraph writing. And that's okay. You are almost sixth graders and you will be doing lengthier writings, especially writings that are informational writings. So we don't ever want to make ourselves feel like we went over 5 sentences and that's too much. There's not a limit on sentences, but approximately two, three, maybe even four per box would get your information set. The next slide is, or the next video is going to show you how I go about putting this all together. But you can imagine I get to just take my graphic organizer and basically just write it in the form of a paragraph. This will be the beginning, and then I'll go from here to here, and then there, and then there, and I'll end with this. I will do this in different colors so you can see it, and then I take it in all black and white so it looks like a really nice paragraph. You certainly do not need to use this graphic organizer. You can just write, you can draw it out, you can write it on a piece of notebook paper, but I did make this available to you if you want to use this as well.